Guys, we are here with Taffy and oh fucking I've forgotten the name.
Adventures with GTR.
Adventures with GTR, there we go, I got it right. So, right guys, make sure you go check them out, give them some love. Right, we've got to get in here. This is a theatre apparently. So oh my god, right. Holy crap.
Yeah, man. Holy smokes, we're actually in it.
I told you.
I didn't believe Brady when he said that we were in.
Here we go. Wow. This place is nature has taken over. Holy smokes, guys. It's...
Look at the stairs.
I know, look at it. It's nuts.
It's like it's just gonna go blah.
And then you got a little ceiling, which is coming down. Wow. You can actually see, look.
It smells amazing.
It smells like weed.
It doesn't actually smell that bad, does it?
So yeah. Not too much short on the history. Would I mind? Wow, wow, look at that! That's nuts! I mean, for something that's... Wow. Look at this, this must be like the old reception area.
Grand Theatre.
Grand Theatre it's called.
In Derby.
Grand Theatre in Derby. Look, there's the outside. Wow.
Brady, you know, before we go,
Yeah.
you can use your big ass torch.
I'll get it out.
Right.
And then the
I
torch.
want to show everyone. Right. The front.
Wow.
So like
Look at this. This used to be a theatre. So here's the old doors. Let's go through it. Let's see if there's anything downstairs. Nope, this is just the old fire exit.
Are we going down to go where?
There's nothing down there, mate, it's just a fire exit.
Oh.
Just thought I'd check. So, yeah, up.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I don't know what these floors are like. Oh, okay. Maybe not.
Oh, alright. That's it. Move.
Oh, sorry.
Move.
Freaking Brady the fuckers. This fucking dead
Oh,
door.
wow. Yeah, nature has well and truly taken over.
It has, isn't it?
Oh, do I really want to walk on that? No. Not really, no, but you can see there's not much up here. We got that big tower there.
Yeah.
How'd you get up there?
How'd you get up that bit? Da-da-da-da-da. There's a DWG.
There might be another way. There's got to be a way in there. Let's go back. Yeah.
This is a beast, guys.
Yeah, man. Definitely, guys. Definitely. I'll just go through it.
That's a picture of horror. Picturesque.
Right, there's a door here, so let's...
There's a door through here as well. Is that just that looks like a storeroom?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's just a story. This is amazing. And this would be the theatre. I will get my big light out in a bit. But yeah. Nuts.
Oh, toilets.
Toilets.
Yeah.
El Toiletons.
Toilets.
It's nuts, mate. Yeah, man. You can imagine, you know, sat here watching a show. I don't know what was on, but we're watching trees. Yeah. Anything. Use your imagination, guys. I mean, wow. This ain't me Gigantor, it's just me.
No, I know.
I'll get that out in a bit.
Oh, just going to get it out in a bit, guys. If you like the marijuana fan, there's a free one here. I'm not allowed to say the penis. So it's a phallus.
There's always a phallus.
Hey?
There's always a phallus.
Yeah, I know, mate. And it's normally got a camera.
I think this is it, mate. I don't think we're getting anywhere.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Unless there's...
I actually think this is it. Over here. But Brady went and he said there's nothing there.
There's nothing there, mate. This is it, guys. That's pretty much it.
But it's probably been crushed.
But you can see, guys, this place is well and truly... Nature has taken its course on this. Well and truly taken its course. I mean, you sat here, looks like you're talking, man, watching a show, enjoying yourself.
This is crazy.
Not so, innit? Yeah, man. That's it, really.
Do you want to slap out the big boy?
That is pretty much it. This is a pretty small explore, but thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Adventures with GTR and Urbex with Taffy, and yeah, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next one. Peace. Apparently there's bits I've missed, so we're back, guys. Whoa, there's a little bit in here. Let's see. Little booth, shall I say? Wow. Okay. Good job of turning the camera back on, man. Here we go, guys. This is why you should always keep looking.
Oh, days. This goes right down me.
Right. Oh wow.
I just pooed my pants. I just come round the corners with a little peeping Tom called GTR.
What's down here?
What's the floor in that one, guys, down there?
Oh.
Mind your head, yes.
Yeah, Brady.
Wow.
I don't know
This
how
is the,
far that's going to go across here,
basement.
because that's all caved in, mate. If that gives out, mate.
Yeah. Wow.
This would have been humongous.
Yeah.
See? Look, we're right down underneath the stage now, guys.
Yeah, look, you can see down
Look.
there, look.
Look how much that wall is bowing. Holy crap.
Yeah.
I don't feel safe in this bit.
Yeah. This is the back bit. As you can see.
This is amazing.
This is nuts.
I
This
was
is
not
probably-
expecting this.
Right. Back up. Taffy nearly died.
Never one of Taffy's greatest explores.
Wow. Oh.
We've just walked down, so
Yeah.
it shows you underneath, just how dangerous that bit is, we're
Wow.
walking down.
Whoa. Jeez. Excuse me. That's nuts. Look at all these.
You're going for it, guys.
Yeah.
I'm going for it.
Shh. Watch Brady.
Oh yeah.
Jesus. Oh, guys, you're not going far with me.
No.
If that helps.
Wow.
This is like.
It's like the old.
Holy smokes. This is amazing. This has been on fire, hasn't it?
You can see now how much damage there is. And we'll just walk down.
Guys, we are going to be careful.
Yeah, we're going really slowly. Whoa. Being very careful here, but wow.
Holy smokes. Look at all these old tables and
Look at
shit.
them all.
You used to sit there
I'm glad it-
and your bingo or whatever
Yeah,
it was.
looks like it was a bingo hall at some point.
Wow, guys. This comes down. This is really going to hurt. I don't think we're going to feel it, but...
Wow. Guys.
I knew there was more.
Yeah.
My gut was telling me, yeah, there was more. And I was like, there's a door there, let's go. You're in. I followed my gut. This is dangerous. Please do not come here. If you know the location, do not come here.
Oh wow.
I'm not going to say what it is.
Ah, the national game. So it was a bingo hall. Wow.
Wow, Brady. How the hell did you get there?
It's just a back room with more stairs. Ah, to a fire exit.
Oh, it was a bingo room, guys.
It was.
It was an actual bingo room. Wow, that is so weird, isn't it?
Guys, I can't believe this. I'm just going to get my other torch out. Back in a second.
How are you getting on, Brady?
Good. On my back. Wow. Wow.
I can feel this ground move, yeah.
Yeah,
Do you, when
let's-
you walk. I know, I went through the chair ride.
So did I.
This is a very dark place, isn't it?
Just a
I don't
bit.
mean dark as in, like, dark as in dark, I mean, like,
Can you get over there?
spiritual.
No, I
kind
wouldn't.
of-
I wouldn't go over there.
I don't know if we can.
So this used to be a
Should be
bingo
able to
hall.
again, shouldn't we?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. You're
You're
taking a
right.
picture.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
I'll squeeze past you first.
I took a video instead of a picture, but I can take so.
I do that sometimes.
Looking stuff.
Mate, don't worry. Some of us don't even record, do we, Brady?
Yeah, mate.
I forgot, mate. I
Really?
walked around, mate. I didn't record, mate. And we were in Stoke at the time.
Can you get
It
over
wasn't long
there?
ago either. And I've been doing this for years. And I was like, Brady, I wasn't even recording. And he bashed his head and everything quiet. And I wasn't recording. I was almost on the floor
Oh,
laughing.
you missed the comedy moment as well, did you?
He was in it.
Oh, dear.
He was the centre of it.
Oh,
Oh, builder's bum there, Bob. Got the boxes out.
no. Yeah, got the egg room dish. I didn't get back out that way, you know what I mean?
Probably not.
Oh, cool. It's just a.
Can you get it that way?
No, this is like the. Like back
No.
entrance.
I want to get over here.
Toilet. Just a toilet. It's just a toilet.
Just the bones.
I'm stuck.
We don't advise people doing this. Just a
This is horrendous.
right advisory.
Guys, this walk is so big with me.
That was the crown jewels, that mate.
Whoa. I sat back down, guys.
problem is you're worried about what to put your hands on, aren't you, in case it knocks something down.
That's it.
Hey, I can't. I would very fucking say.
I'm like, can I just hold you? Come on. Oh, fucking hell, Jesus. Bring me over.
To the other side.
Oh, guys.
Yeah, right.
Shit. Hang on. Oh, no. I'm
Let me push you.
I'll just, yeah. Oh, fucking hell.
No, that was adventure.
Oh, you got a cheeky little grab then. Bottom ball joint was almost hanging out.
I think I put my elbow in you.
When we went under that fence, I nearly again took a tap your blowjob, didn't I, when I got...
Oh, mate, I wish you did, mate. It's better than having no job, innit?
I got off the paper right in his crotch.
You okay getting up?
I think it's up there on purpose, to be honest.
This is the back bit of it, or the front bit, shall we say? Yeah, because you come in. This is obviously reception. That was a bit through here.
Yeah.
Are you all right though, mate?
Yeah, I just put my thing on, forgot to set it on.
Did the taffy moment?
It did the shake and dive.
There's more stairs here.
Is it?
Yeah, more stairs. Wow. This place just gives. This is nuts. I'll check it out before you come up. Oh, guys, this is nuts. That's just hang on, bring it down to there. Pretty much, but wow, look at the decor on this. This is nuts. This is nuts, mate. So, I mean, the decor, you can imagine people walking through here, you know, going to a show. Whoa. Careful, man, careful. Careful. Whoa, you can see the where we've just been down there. Wow. This must have been, I don't know, projection room? Maybe? No, not projection room. There's the stairs there, that must have been to upstairs. You can't seem to get that way. It's nuts so, guys. Wow. There's the front. Oh, here they come.
Whoa. Mate. These stairs just keep on giving, don't they?
Yeah, it goes all the way up here, mate. So I'm just look, there's the front.
Oh, I'm glad I come here now.
Just be careful on this floor, mate. But yeah, you can see this bit here. We didn't see. Yeah, it looks like a toilet. Toilet, yeah, definitely a toilet.
Yeah, I'd watch you now, mate. Because look, these rooms are getting hollower. I'm gonna just go back this way, mate.
Yeah, no worries. I think we'll head back, guys.
Yeah, this isn't looking great, like, ain't
This place is trashed.
innit? That torch is pretty good, mate, innit?
Yeah, to be fair, should be newer.
Paul, just watch that floor, mate. I wouldn't go much further than where Brady is.
Yeah.
Because it's looking a bit Worse for wear,
Oh,
mate.
look at that, guys. That looks very dodgy.
Mate, it looks worse like than a guy in an anorak, like sitting in a park, doesn't it? It looks more dodgy than that, doesn't it?
When it's school coming out time.
Oh, mate, at minimum, mate.
He's sat there with a load of sweets.
Normally sat there in his long anorak with nothing on underneath it.
Back on, guys. You know the big metal girder that's holding
Yeah.
all that structure up? If you go that side of the wall, you can see where it's all warped
Yeah.
from the
No
fire.
way.
Yeah, it's all warped to
Yeah. The heat would have been booming off it.
when you think the weight that's above.
I know, mate. I was just thinking of just finishing it up if I'm honest to get the fuck out of here. Because I didn't realise how bad it was. Like.
I went into the toilets upstairs, and as soon as I started walking forward, the floors were
Yeah, a bit spongy and then.
Yeah.
You know, like,
I mean, wow,
and I'm
guys.
just waiting just to go, oh, hi Toffee.
no, don't tell you.
There's the till.
Like that.
Is there anything in the till? Oh no, it's all gone.
Oh no, Taffy had that, mate.
Oh, did you?
No, I didn't, by the way, guys. I wasn't joking.
Yeah, we've just been up there.
Seth,
Literally been up there.
so, penis. Thanks for that, Seth. Absolute dildo basher.
Want to see something scary, Brady?
Go on then.
See all that that's holding the weight up?
Yeah.
Look how it's all buckled and bent there at the end from the heat.
What?
Oh.
Right, we need to get out. Yeah.
Yeah.
On that note, it's time to end.
There is some weight above our heads.
Yeah, so on that note, guys, I'm going to end it there. Goodbye.